Hey, Milo and Kayla Meisters, it's Grandpa. And I'm aware that Mimi has been reading poems to you guys and recording herself and sending those videos to you. And Grandpa's a little bit jealous. So Grandpa kind of started thinking, what can I do for Milo and Kayla so that they can see me and I can visit with them and show them how much I miss them and love them. So I decided I would buy this scientific experiment box where it has lots and lots of different scientific experiments. In fact, I think it has 80. And not every day, but maybe one a week, I will take the time to do a video and do one of these experiments, and you can do it along with me. So the first one I'm going to do is number 1, and it's called Colorful Fountain. Colorful Fountain. What do you think that one's about? It's going to have color and a fountain. You know what a fountain is? A fountain is something where stuff spits up high and sprays up high. So I think this experiment is going to do something with stuff that spits up high and is colorful. So anyway, I've already started. You can probably see all this stuff in front of me. I've already mixed the red and the yellow, but I haven't done the blue yet because I'm going to show you exactly how I did these two by doing it with the blue. So there's actually just water in the test tube right now. There's just water. And to that, I'm going to add baking soda. So here's baking soda, and I'm going to take this funnel and I'm going to put it on top so that when I pour the baking soda into the test tube, it all goes in. Nothing's going to happen, or at least I hope nothing's going to happen. We'll see. Okay, so I just poured in the baking soda into the water. And then the other thing that I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to add 10 drops of dish soap. So you'll have to help count with me now. I've got to add 10 drops. It's kind of tricky. Here we go. We're going to count. 1. Oh, that was a big one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'll do one for good luck. There you go. So that's roughly 10 drops. So now we've got baking soda and dish soap in there. And then the last thing we're supposed to add is the color. That's why this experiment is called Colorful Fountains. So I got to put 10 drops of this in. So Kayla and Milo, get ready to count. You got to help me count. I hope you can see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go. So I'm now going to mix it all together. So I've got this little spoon. Nothing's happened yet. I hope the next thing that I do is going to cause a reaction and that something's going to happen, but I don't know. We'll have to see. So now I'm stirring it up. See how I'm stirring it, and it's all pretty blue? So I'm mixing the baking soda, the water, the dish detergent, and the food coloring dye. The blue dye. So that makes it all pretty blue. All right. So I think that's all stirred up pretty good there. So I'm going to put it back down. And again, I've already done all of that with the yellow and red. So what I just did with the blue, I've already done with the yellow and the red. So they're the exact same stuff all mixed together. Okay, and now I got to be safe. Grandpa's got to be safe. You never know what might happen in these experiments. I'm going to take these glasses off, my normal glasses, and I'm going to put on these scientific glasses to help protect my eyes in case there's a big explosion. What do you and Kayla think is going to happen, Milo? Kayla, what do you think is going to happen when I do the next part? So what is the next part? The next part is I have a little bit of water. And again, I've already done this one and I've already done this one, but I haven't done this one yet. So this has just water in it, and I need to add citric acid. So it's just little fine crystals. And if you smell it, citric acid is what's in oranges. So when you smell oranges, you smell the citric acid or the citricness. So that's what this is. But these are crystals. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into the water. Nothing happens yet. Nothing happens yet. And I'm going to stir those crystals in. Actually, I'm going to use a bigger spoon to stir them in. So here I am. I'm stirring the crystals so that they dissolve into the water. I'm stirring them up. I want to try to make sure they all dissolve. Oops. I splashed a little bit. Okay, they're getting dissolved. I'm almost done. Oh, they're just about all dissolved. What do you think's going to happen in a second, Milo and Kayla, when I pour this into the test tube? You think we're going to get a colorful fountain? I don't know. Okay, so it's all stirred. So now I have three colors of test tubes. What color is that one? Did you say blue? You're right. What color is that one? Did you say yellow? You're right. And what color is that one? It kind of looks like pink. I could put more food coloring in, but it's actually red. It's just not, maybe I should have put a few more drops in to make it a little bit darker red. I think you know your colors. I bet you guessed all of them. All right, so here we go. I got my glasses on. I don't know what's going to happen. This could be kind of crazy. This could be kind of crazy. And I've already got my mixture for my red, and I've already got my mixture for my yellow, and I just did this one for the blue. So here we go. I'll do the blue first. Uh-oh, here we go. What do you think's going to happen? Whoa, look at that. Woo! It's colorful and blue and foam and all kinds of wild stuff. Now I'm going to do it for the yellow. Uh-oh, I don't want the red one to get hit, so I better move that out of the way. Woo! Now we've got yellow, and now I'm going to do the red one. Look at these, look at that, all the bubbles. Woo! Look at that. Wow. So I guess that's why it's called colorful fountains, because it all squirts up high and overflows and creates all the bubbles. Where do you think the bubbles came from, Milo and Kayla? Probably from the dish soap. And what happens is when the citric acid and the baking soda engage, they mix together, there's what's called a chemical reaction. Can you say chemical? Chemical. And can you say reaction? Reaction. Chemical reaction. And what that means is the two things interact and they start doing all kinds of things. And then it also kind of gets the dish soap to go crazy, and the dish soap ends up blowing up and overflowing the little test tubes. So that's what happened. So we have now completed our first scientific experiment. And there, like I said, there are 80, so it's going to take us a long time to get through all of them. But stay tuned for the next one. I look forward to spending time with you guys and doing the next experiment. And I miss you guys and I love you guys. And hopefully you've enjoyed this little experiment that we did together. Say hi to your mommy and daddy for me. Bye-bye.